here's my joints off my steering shaft. I'm starting to think maybe they're just frozen. Look at that one. Well, I'm gonna thaw those out and chip those off tomorrow, and maybe I will have some steering. Holy shit, she's cold. It's like minus 12 in Frostbakistani degrees here, and here I'm wearing my, Kanakistanian tuxedo here. So, 71 Ford COE C600. Got it running and insured, and of course, then she stopped steering when I tried to get out of the driveway, and well, that might have something to do with it. Yeah, at this temperature, that could definitely be frozen, so I'm gonna throw the heat gun on her and try and clean all that crud off and see if I can get her steering again. Wish me luck. All right, okay, she's running again. No. Still no power steering. Darn. Dang, well, no bueno. We cleaned up those U-joints. I heated up the box, I heated up the cylinder, heated up the reservoir and the pump, the heat gun there, and no improvement. Dang. But yeah, that fuel pump is making some noise. Damn! I was hoping to drive her today. Oh, she's just so fucking badass. Alright, another day.